Today I share with you this melting mud, milk and chocolate cookies recipe with you. Hello everyone, thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today, as I said, I'm going to share with you this melting mud, milk and chocolate cookies with you. Very easy and you will love the outcome. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. To begin with, I will start by mixing my ingredients. So to a bowl, I'll go in with some salted butter and also unsalted butter. Don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. All right, next I'll go in with some vanilla essence, sugar, and I'll use my hand mix to cream it or to whisk it until I reach the desired consistency. So after getting the perfect consistency, I'll go ahead and add in my all-purpose flour. You can also use plain flour for this as well. Next, I'll also go in with my evaporated milk, and you can go in with the milk little by little until you achieve the perfect dough, because the more you go in with more milk, the more the dough becomes very soft, and we don't want to achieve a very soft dough. We want it between soft and a little bit hard. In short, we want to mix the dough until the dough comes out from the bowl very clean. So now let's mix everything until we reach the perfect consistency. Alright, so as you can see, the dough has come out from the bowl very neat, and that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to keep this in my refrigerator to relax very well. So while that is going on, we're going to go ahead and mix our chocolate butter. For the second method, we're going to repeat the same process with the first one, but this time around we're going to go in with some chocolate powder or cocoa powder. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing the quantity as well in the description box for you to check it out. So after mixing everything to get the right consistency, I'll then go ahead and go in with my all-purpose flour. So I'll also mix with this one very well until the dough comes out from the bowl very nicely. So while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Right, so this is how the dough should look like after kneading it, and so I'm going to keep this also in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and it should be okay. So our first dough is out and it's doing all good. As you can see, it looks very soft and just perfect. So I'll also wait for the chocolate one to also get ready, and when that is done, I'll start by rolling my dough very well. So I'll start with the milky one, which I'm going to roll it just the way you see it on your screens right now to get a perfect size that I want. Afterwards, I'll repeat the same process on the chocolate one and we'll proceed to the next stage. That is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Also, don't forget as well to share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this video as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after rolling the two to get the perfect size, I'll then place the milky one in between the chocolate one, just the way you see it on the screens right now, and I will use my rolling pin to roll out the dough so that the chocolate and the milk dough will attach to each other very well. So that's what we want to achieve right here. So after getting the perfect dough, just the way you see it on your screens right now. I will use my love shape bowl. You all know how much I do love this love shape bowl anytime I'm making cookies. You can also use your biscuit cutters if that is what you want. All right, you can also use any shape or any cutter or even knife to do this. You don't have to stress yourself, you just have to play with anything that you have. All right, so as you can see, I am cutting it in between the two dough, which is the chocolate dough and the milky dough, to achieve this beautiful design. As I'm so much impressed with how this cookies turn out. Let me also know in the comment section if you love these designs and what you think about this milk and chocolate cookies as well, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comment down below. Thank you so much for doing that. So whilst that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Don't forget as well to share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this video as well. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so just look at how beautiful this chocolate and milk cookies turn out. And as I said, you can use any cutter of your choice. I have this crinkle cutter which I use to create these beautiful designs as well. So what do you think? Do you prefer the love shape bowl or this crinkle cutter shapes? It's very beautiful, and as you can see, it turned out so great as well. My family really enjoyed these cookies, and I hope your family is going to enjoy this as well. So after cutting all the cookies nicely like this, I'm going to place this in my oven to bake for about 160 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes approximately, and afterwards this is how it turned out. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this milky and chocolate cookies recipe. It turned out so good. My family really enjoyed it, and I hope your family is going to do the same as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy it to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Bye.